Measurement. Hello children, let's begin our journey into measurement. Have you ever noticed that your parents buy vegetables in kilograms, milk in liters, and saris in meters? Do you know how tall you are or how much water is in your bottle? Ever wondered why we have different measuring units for different objects? In this lesson, we will learn about some aspects of measurement. First, let us understand what is measurement. In simple words, it is just a way to find out the size or amount of something. Like for example, it helps us answer questions like, how long is your toy train? How heavy is your school bag? How cold is the weather? Let us learn in detail. First, let us see what is measurement of length. The word length is used to measure how long an object is. For example, length of the classroom floor, length of the green board, length of a pencil, etc. Here are the units of measuring length. The first unit is millimeter. In short, we write it as mm. It is used to measure very short length, like for example, a grain of rice. The second unit is centimeter. In short, we write it as cm. It is used to measure short length, like for example, the length of a pen or a pencil. It is also used to measure short height, like for example, the height of a chair. The third unit is meter. In short, we write it as m. It is used to measure long length, for example, the length of the room. We also measure short distance in meters, for example, distance from the room to your kitchen. And it is also used to measure long height, like for example, the height of a tree or a tall building. And the fourth unit is kilometer, in short, km. It is used to measure long distance. Now, it is inconvenient to measure long distance in meters, so we use kilometers. Like for example, the distance between two cities. Now, meter is a standard unit of measuring length. Let us learn the conversion of length. The first unit, meter into centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So to convert meter into centimeter, we need to multiply by 100. Let us understand this better with the help of an example. Convert 14 meters into centimeter. You know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So to convert 14 meter into centimeter, we will multiply 14 multiplied by 100, which is equal to 1400 centimeters. The second unit, centimeters into millimeters. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. To convert centimeter into millimeters, we need to multiply by 10. You know 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So to convert 6 centimeter into millimeters, we will multiply 6 multiply by 10, which is equal to 60 millimeters. Third unit is kilometers into meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So to convert kilometers into meter, we need to multiply by 1000. So 16 kilometers, if we have to convert it into meters, we will multiply 16 multiplied by 1000, which is equal to 16,000 meters. Here are some important units to remember. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Half of a meter is equal to 50 centimeter. 1/4 of a meter is equal to 25 centimeters. 3/4 of a meter is equal to 75 centimeter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Half of a kilometer is equal to 500 meters. 1/4 of a kilometer is equal to 250 meters. And 3/4 of kilometer is equal to 750 meters. I hope you understood the different units we use while measuring length.